Hello class 11. Today I am going to start with this chapter number 7 is structural organization in animals. This chapter contains two parts. The first part is about the tissues and second part contain cockroach. Now today I am going to teach you digestive system of cockroach. Digestive system of cockroach. Okay, digestive system of cockroach. Now see the structure. This is eyes, cockroach. Okay, here the salivary glands. This one leaf-like structures are salivary glands. Two pairs, one from each side, and here this is and this one is salivary receptacle, and this one is salivary receptacle. Okay, this dotted one is salivary receptacle, and this leafy structure is salivary gland. Now this is gizzard. Okay. This is mesenteries. Okay. Now this is digestive system of cockroach. Now here this is eye. This leaf-like structure is salivary gland, and this rounded structure is salivary receptacle. Receptacle. This one esophagus. Esophagus. Okay, and this one crop. This one hepatic ceca. And this one is gizzard. This one mesentron. And colon, rectum, and this one is malpighial tubule. Malpighial tubule, and this area is called ileum. Okay, this is the digestive system of cockroach. It contains pair of digestive system of cockroach includes alimentary canal, and second digestive glands, Okay, now this the alimentary canal is divided into three parts. Alimentary canal divided into three parts. Parts of alimentary canal. First part is midgut, foregut. F-O-R-E-G-U-T, foregut, not F-O-U-R. F-O-R-E, foregut. Then midgut, and third one is hindgut. First, second, and third. Alimentary canal has three parts: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Okay. Now foregut contain mouth cavity, pharynx. Now here see foregut. Foregut में क्या क्या आता है? That is mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Crop and gizzard. Okay. Now next is hindgut, midgut. Midgut is a narrow, thick tube-like mesenteron, hepatic finger-like outgrowth called hepatic or gastric ceca. And second one is midgut. Midgut contain hepatic ceca, which secrete digestive enzyme. And next one is hindgut. Hindgut contains ileum, second colon, and third one, first, second, third, that is rectum. This is alimentary canal, divided into three parts: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut contains mouth cavity, pharynx, esophagus, crop and gizzard. Here mouth part, esophagus, crop and gizzard is the part of the foregut, and midgut contains only hepatic cecas. These hair-like projections are called hepatic ceca. Its function is to secrete enzyme, and here mesentron and hepatic ceca, and here hindgut contain only ileum, colon and rectum. Okay. Gizzard contain the plates, chitinous plate. ठीक है. gizzard में क्या होती है? chitinous plate होती है which help to serve as जैसे हमारे teeth काम करते हैं. chitinous plate is just like that teeth, also called proventricular teeth, which masticate the food. Okay, gizzard. What is the function of this crop? Storage for food, reservoir for the food, and pharynx. Pharynx is for the mouth leads into the tubular pharynx. That's a salivary gland open into the pharynx near the base of the hypopharynx. Esophagus passes into the esophagus, in which short and narrow structure lead into the crop. Okay. Now midgut is the basic part. It contains hepatic ceca and gastric ceca, also called gastric ceca, hepatic ceca, also called gastric ceca, and it secretes digestive enzyme. The posterior part of the mesentron absorb the digestive. This part of mesentron absorb the digested food. Mesentron absorb the digested food. What is the function of this mesentron? It absorb the digested food. What is the function of this Malpighian tubule? Malpighian tubule, colorless, yellow color, thin filamentous Malpighian tubule. They are excretory in function, and the excretory products are poured into the hemocyte. Its function is the excretory. जितना भी waste material होता है वो इसको क्या करती है? Absorb करता है. This Malpighian tubule. Ileum, as you know, is short narrow tube. Internal lining of ileum throw into the longitudinal folds. Okay. Next, colon, wide, long and coiled structure. It absorbs finally digested food. What is the function of this colon? Absorb digested food. Rectum. Okay. Internal throw into the 6 longitudinal fold called rectal papillae. Okay.